Hello, my name's Angela Ward. I'm a crystal therapist, Reiki master and mindset and resilience coach. And today I want to talk to you about the crystal Shungite. Now, Shungite is around 2 billion years old and it comes from Karelia in Russia. And in 1996, Robert Curl and Richard Smalley discovered fullerenes, which is a major component of Shungite. And they won a Nobel Prize in chemistry because it's the only natural known source of fullerenes on Earth. So Shungite is one of the most powerful antioxidants that shield the cells from the effects of free radicals. And it also actively interacts with various electromagnetic fields and neutralises their negative impact. And it purifies water and enriches it with beneficial minerals. Now this is Shungite, a piece of Shungite, and this is a piece of Shungite. And there's different grades of Shungite. And one of the main tests that you can do to make sure that you are getting the real deal is that when you, because this isn't polished, so when you rub on the Shungite itself, you will get black on your fingers. And the reason for that is it's about carbon. Shungite holds, what it is, it's carbon. And there are different types of Shungite according to Retina Martino, and she's categorised them, and she says that the purest form is called Elite. They've called it Elite, and it holds 98% carbon, and you only will get around 1% in the world of Shungite is actually the Elite because it is so rare to get hold of. And type 2 is black Shungite. This is black Shungite and it's 50 to 70% carbon. And then there's type 3, which is grey, or Shungite rock. Now the fullerenes also are abundant in the different types. So you'll have different levels of abundancy, with the Elite having more fullerenes, but as I said, it's also the rarest to find. So drinking Shungite water can actually neutralise a significant number of toxins because it purifies. It purifies the water, but it also removes organic and inorganic substances, pathogenic bacteria and heavy metals. And it fills the water with oxygen, calcium and magnesium. So when you put Shungite into water, you don't want to, once you've received it, I would clean it first and run it under some water to get any dust or anything like that off of it. You might want to give it a little scrub too. And you put it into the water and you literally just leave it in the water overnight, for 12 hours or overnight. And then you can drink it, and you can drink 2 to 3 glasses of that a day. And it also helps with positive changes and growth within your spiritual field, as it works with the root chakra, the sacral chakra and the solar plexus chakra, heightening vitality, passion and purpose. And because it's so powerful at absorbing, you really do need to cleanse these crystals every 2 weeks. And you can do that by either leaving in the sunshine all day long or under the moonlight of a night time. And you can run them under water, but you'd want to really run them under maybe spring water. So if you're near a spring, you'd want to do that. You can smudge them also to cleanse them. But the most powerful way to do it really for me is under the moonlight, is what I like to do with all of my crystals. To charge them, to recharge them, to cleanse and recharge them, and then you can just keep using them time and time again. So that's Shungite for you. It is a very, very powerful crystal, and because it only comes from one place in the world, it's not really overly well known, to be honest, but it does have so many benefits. And you just make sure that when you get it, you get your certificate of authenticity with it, so that you know that you're getting the right stuff. So that's Shungite.